Once those products arrive at the FBA warehouse, the key thing you should observe is which products start selling the fastest. This step is extremely valuable for beginners because it gives you real market feedback. It is important to understand that not every product you test will perform well in the marketplace. If certain products sell quickly, that is a strong signal that the market demand exists. You can then reorder those products and restock them in larger quantities. On the other hand, if some products move slowly, you can experiment with pricing or promotions to encourage faster sales and clear that inventory. When dealing with slower moving products, it is usually best to try to clear them within a few months. This helps you recover your investment before storage fees increase further. Once that inventory is cleared, you can redirect your capital toward the products that are already proving to sell well. This testing approach is one of the safest ways for beginners to learn the market. Instead of risking a large investment on one product, you spread your risk across multiple product tests while gaining valuable selling experience.